To set up your Northstar Online Learning, or NSOL account, find and open the email invitation from your Northstar location. In the email, click the link in the blue button. On this page, scroll down to or set a new password. Enter a password. Make sure to create a strong password that has numbers, letters, and symbols and is easy for you to remember. Then, click Change My Password. After you set up your account, you can log into Northstar by clicking the Login button on our homepage. Enter your email address and click Next. Then enter your password and click Login. If you have any difficulty making your account or logging in, please contact a staff member or teacher at your location for help.